This video will review linking Google Scholar to your MSUB Library account, so you may access full-text articles. Google Scholar is a part of the search engine Google and provides access to full-text scholarly literature and metadata across various academic disciplines. To begin using Google Scholar, you will need to make a minor adjustment to your Google search tool settings. You can start by searching for Google Scholar in any search engine, or simply Scholar in Google. Select the Google Scholar search results. Next, you will need to go into your settings. When you have the settings menu open, choose Library Links from the options listed. The library accounts you are linked to will show on this screen. If you do not see MSUB listed, you will need to add the university to the list to make the most of Google Scholar. Search Montana State University Billings and select it from the drop-down menu. Next, you will need to check the box next to your search result and make sure to save these settings. Check the full-text access availability at the MSUB Library for items found using Google Scholar. For example, I would like to find articles about communication rhetoric. Once I search using the search bar, the results will show me which articles are available through MSUB libraries, like this one. Clicking on the link will either take you back to the MSUB Library website or link you directly to the publication website. If you have any questions or need research help, contact the MSUB Library at 406-657-1662 or email library@msubillings.edu.